Oh, literally a flying visit today. I'm making homemade sage and onion stuffing for the channel. And had picked a massive bunch of sage, fresh sage, but it just wasn't enough. So I'm running in here to get some more and then going to work. The weather's been, but I'm just literally flying in. So I thought you'd come with me. Thank you to, I think it was John, who said I didn't need to tip my garlic. And when I Googled it, 100%, it prompted me to just go check, and you're 100% right. So thanks for that. I didn't realise. And like you said, if you didn't, it needs the frost for the, what do you call them? Cloves to form. Yeah. So let's go. Let's get this sage. There's someone over there, but back there, but that's fine. We're literally grabbing the sage, and I think I might just take the netting off, the what do you call it? Quickly grab that off so that the garlic can have any future cold weather. Just quickly check the hedgehog ladder. Fantastic. I mean, it's all kind of damp and pretty cold sage here, so I'm going to cut some now. Oh gosh. Just getting my pruning, because I'm not even going to unlock the shed. It's that quick a visit. Oh, actually my hands are cold. Just want to get a big bunch. Oh, guess what? The Taunton Dean, one of them out of 3, has some roots. It did defrost. You might remember there was catastrophically, the water had frozen, so I took that and the rosemary home. They seem to be okay, which is pretty amazing. I don't know, this should be enough, because I've got about, I need 180 grams of fresh sage. I brought an elastic band with me so it can, whoopsie, so I can bunch them together. I just have to stay in my car while I'm at work. Right, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the Taunton Dean. It's brilliant. I got them home, defrosted them, poor blighters, and then I realised one of them had roots, so they seem okay from their frozen situation. Right, I'm picking you up. Oh, right, let's quickly get this netting off. I've got to check the time because I am going to work, and I can leave the metal hoops in the way. Whoopsie. There we go. So, I mean, there will be more frost and stuff, weather-wise. I'll just put this here till I come back. Oh, I need to weigh it down. Yeah, I'll sort that out when I come back tomorrow. Oh, mustn't forget my bag. Oh dear, this was going to be a flying visit. Everything looks all right though. Quick glance. Bag of sage. I did have dried sage that I dried. Remember when I dried? Well, some of you might remember, in the air fryer. And I have the dried sage in there, but I really wanted to use fresh, considering I've got a huge bush of it. And I also thought I'm going to try and root them in water like I did with the rosemary, because I'd like to grow more sage. It has a lovely flower. Oh well. Whew. Yeah, I mean, it's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be, because this morning it was just raining and raining. And I sort of wrote it off, but the rain stopped, so that's something. But, you know, the day's done. Well, the morning's done and I have to go to work. Thanks for coming with me on this little mini sage collecting trip. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.